In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly where the language setting lives, how to switch it, and what to expect once you save your choice. This is a quick update that can make your workspace clearer, faster to navigate, and more comfortable if English isn't your preferred interface language. From your main Pipedrive workspace, start by heading to Settings. You'll typically find this behind the gear icon in the upper area of the screen. Opening Settings takes you to a panel where you control how Pipedrive behaves for you personally. That's important to note. The language you set here is a personal preference and won't change what your teammates see in their accounts. Inside Settings, look for Personal Preferences, then open the Language section. This is the place where Pipedrive stores your interface language option. The layout is straightforward, so you should see a drop-down menu that lists all available languages. When you open the drop-down, scroll to find the one you want, or start typing its name to jump directly to it if that's supported in your browser. Choosing a language here controls the wording of menus, buttons, tooltips, and many on-screen messages throughout Pipedrive, helping you navigate more confidently. Once you've selected your preferred language from the drop-down, click Save. Saving locks in your choice and applies the change to your account. In most cases, you'll see the interface update almost immediately after saving. Don't be surprised if some labels or sections refresh as the new language loads. That's normal. A quick way to confirm the change worked is to glance at the top navigation and side menus. Labels there should now appear in the language you chose. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. First, because this is a personal setting, it won't affect anyone else in your organization. If a teammate wants the same change, they can follow the exact path in their own account. Settings, Personal Preferences, then Language, select, and save. Second, if you accidentally switch to a language you don't recognize, retracing the same path is still easy. Look for the familiar gear icon, then open the first section labeled like Personal Preferences, and pick your original language from the drop-down before saving again. That's all it takes. Go to Settings, open Personal Preferences, choose your language, and click Save. With just a few clicks, you can make Pipedrive feel more natural and easier to use every day.